If you want to know how to download your keywords from Google Ads, it's pretty straightforward. All you're going to do is go over to campaigns and then under audiences, keywords, and content, you just hit keywords right here. And then on the top panel up here, you'll see this download option. It's going to allow us to download in a number of different formats. So like an Excel CSV or just a regular CSV or PDF or Excel file. Google Sheets, you can actually even just install it right into a Google Sheet. I also like to use this more options. This will allow us to segment the data so we can look at the keywords and its data on like a daily, weekly, monthly basis based on different conversion actions or which device type or network was utilized. So you can start to segment this data through a download, which I just find to be extremely beneficial. You can also toggle on and off different options here to include things into the report and then go ahead and download it. Then you can have that data to refer back to at any time. You can, sift through the different keywords, eliminate stuff, or mark it up, highlight everything in green that you want to keep and red everything that you want to get rid of, or however you want to use that keyword data. But it's, like I said, pretty straightforward to download your keywords. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.